Okay, so we just got down to the dump. It's super quick. There's nobody in line. Just zip right through there. Dumped it. Saw like 2 other guys in there. They gave us a shot, guys. What's up, Bahala? Awesome. So we're off. Gonna go finish this garage clean out. Took us like 15 minutes in the dump. It's perfect. Usually it's like an hour waiting in that dump line, and it sucks. Those are the things that they don't tell you about in the junk removal business videos. Oh, it's so easy. You make all this money. You gotta hustle for your money, bro. Your truckloads maybe whatever, $600-800 that you're paying out a dump fee of maybe $150, and then you're paying your insurance, you're paying your fuel. You know, they show you these videos like, oh, we picked this stuff up, we make $800 in like 15 minutes. But they don't show you the travel time to get there, the standing time in the dump, your insurance, you gotta pay your fuel. So by the time you're done, you're doing an 800, let's say you do $800 loads, 300 depending if you have an employee or not, to get that load done. So 2 to 2 hours to do that one, maybe 2 to 3 hours to do that one job. So it's not taking you 15 minutes, and then you gotta run around and get that next job and do it all over again.